Hey guys, will my turmeric citrus chicken taste better cooked in an air fryer? Stick with me till the end of this video and you will have my verdict. Let's go.
All right, let's start by making our marinade. Grab 2 cups of Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice, a finger-sized piece of ginger. Don't worry about peeling the ginger. You also want a finger-sized piece of turmeric. Same thing, don't peel it. You want 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. And then as much chili as you like. I did about 1/2 a chili for this. We also want 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, and 1 tablespoon of fennel seed. Make sure you're toasting your seeds separately before you add them to the marinade. Very important. 1 tablespoon of zaatar, 1 tablespoon of pink peppercorn, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Now go ahead and blend until smooth. Congratulations, you just made the marinade.
Prepare our chicken. So what we want to do is just cut out this backbone right here so we're left with 2 halves. Just crunch through all those bones. Such a satisfying sound, I don't know why. You go ahead and save this for chicken stock, so don't throw that away. Next, we just want to take a cleaver and just cut right through this bone. Okay, next up we want to marinate our chicken. I like to keep it nice and neat. Just put it in these cryovac bags because I can just cryovac them. If you don't have this, don't worry, don't stress. Just go ahead and let it marinate for at least 3 to 6 hours or overnight for best results in your fridge. We'll go ahead and just fill up both sides. All right, let's make a citrus glaze to go with our chicken. A couple tablespoons of avocado oil. Then we want to slowly saute 1 clove of garlic and as much chili as you like. So we're just gonna sweat these. We're not trying to get any color on them. We'll add just a pinch of salt to bring out their water. Then to this, we want to add 1 cup of fresh squeezed orange juice, 1/2 cup of Meyer lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 cup of sugar, and just a few lugs of some sherry vinegar. We'll go ahead and let this cook down and reduce by half until it's a nice syrupy consistency. Okay, so when it's needed, go ahead and scoop off any of that foam. This will just kind of clarify your sauce a little bit more, make it a little bit more refined.
After your sauce is reduced by half, go ahead and make a slurry with either cornstarch or potato starch to thicken. Go ahead and save it for later.
All right, guys, so we got our chicken marinating. We have our citrus glaze reducing. Next up, I'm gonna show you how to make a Shirazi salad. It's a Persian salad with cucumber, tomato, a little bit of dried mint, some red onion, and some olive oil. So I'm gonna show you how to make that right now. Let's go.
Okay, let's prepare a Shirazi salad. You want to take 4 Persian cucumbers and slice fine like you see here. 2 heirloom tomatoes and cut out the seeds and finely chop. And then you also want 1/2 of a red onion, finely sliced. We'll add the juice of 2 Meyer lemons, 1 tablespoon of dried mint, and 1 tablespoon of zaatar, salt and pepper, and then a few lugs of sherry vinegar and some good quality olive oil. I added some freshness with a handful of fresh parsley.
And there we have our beautiful Shirazi salad. So light and refreshing. There's not anything in the world that this wouldn't go good with. All right, so we'll go ahead and keep this nice and cold in our fridge until we're ready to plate our chicken. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this in our air fryer. I got it at 365. We're gonna start it skin side down for about 30 minutes, and then we'll do skin side up for about another 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll check the temp after that. Let it go. All right, so 30 minutes is up. Chicken's looking nice and caramelized, so we'll go ahead and flip it over. We'll go ahead and give it another 10 minutes on this side, get a little more caramelization, and it should be ready to go. Looking beautiful. That sound means that we are done cooking our bird. Look how beautiful that looks. My final verdict on the air fryer, I absolutely love it. I think the chicken came out super crispy, super delicious. It almost worked better than if I put it in my oven. I don't want to make my oven jealous, but I actually love that thing. That's probably the first or second time I've used that air fryer. I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I highly suggest you pick one of those up. I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to pick up the one that I got, the Kasori. Super happy with it. As always, guys, thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I truly appreciate you being here with me today, and I hope you learned something. If you did, I hope I earned your subscription, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. So take care, have a blessed day, and God bless. See ya.